Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from PartsAuto.com, and today I'm going to show you where those fuel injections are. Now, fuel injectors are usually on the top of the car, and what they do is they meter the amount of fuel that goes into each cylinder. Obviously we have a V6 car here, so we have 6 fuel injectors. These little brown off-colored things are fuel injectors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the fuel rail, which allows fuel to go into the injectors. These are the little connectors, the electronic connectors, which allow the fuel injectors to pulse as it comes up on intake. So, fuel injectors, pretty easy to get at. 1, 2, 3, 4 Allen keys, the rail comes up, injectors pop out. Just give them a good yank. All right, fuel injectors. If you think you've got a couple plugged up, let us know. We'll fix you up. We'll get those injectors pumping again, baby.
The part you need